Welcome everyone to Queen of Cuisine. So today we're going to be making a stir fry with ground beef. So as you can see, I don't have very much ground beef, and my family's not big meat eaters, so we are just using a little bit. Now for each cup I would use about a half a pound of ground beef. And as you can see, I'm just frying it up real quick. There's no oil in there, it's just the fat from the beef. I have some already cooked rice. I have some onion powder, garlic powder, ginger, pepper, salt, and you're going to also need some soy sauce. And I also have some diced up onions and peppers. You don't have to have the peppers, but it adds some flavor to the dish. And I went ahead and I added in my peppers and onions. Now as far as the rice, just follow the directions on the back of your rice for cooking instructions. However, as far as the liquid, I do half water, and I also put the other half would be chicken broth. And that gives extra flavor to it. And I also add some butter into it and a little bit of salt. And that gives your rice some extra flavor, and it really helps make the dish a little more special. So here I'm just adding in all of my ingredients. I would say to add in for each half a pound about a tablespoon. I'm sorry, not a tablespoon, a teaspoon of each of the seasonings. And just go ahead and let the flavors cook into the food. So now we're going to get started on our rice. I put about a tablespoon of oil in, and we're just going to fry up our rice in a pan on medium heat. Now mine was cold, so that's why you can see they're in big chunks like that. So I'm just breaking it down. So if yours is still warm, it might not take as long to fry it up. And add in another tablespoon if you need to, if your rice seems a little dry. You don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pan, so just add a little bit more at a time. You don't want to add too much in. And it would be better to use olive oil. You can use a vegetable oil, but olive oil would be better.
Yeah.
So after you've fried up your rice for a few minutes, you're going to want to add in your soy sauce, about a tablespoon for each cup. You might need to add a little bit more. You just want to make sure that all the rice has some of the soy sauce in it. Before adding too much in, I would just taste your rice and see how much you would prefer. So that's about a cup of rice that I'm frying up right there. So that's about a tablespoon of soy sauce that seemed to do well. The ginger in this dish actually makes it taste phenomenal. You don't want to add in too much ginger, but a good consistency of ginger, about a teaspoon, makes it so good. Ginger goes really well with onions and garlic. My daughter is the one who's recording this so that I have two hands to use. I really appreciate her helping me out. So now you just add in all of your ingredients together and just fry it all up. And I just leave it in there for a couple minutes, stirring it frequently until everything's combined together nicely. And that's it, you guys. Quick, easy, cheap, and delicious. Just like we like it. And like always, we're all kings and queens in the kitchen. And until next time, you guys. Bye.